Friends, today we are going to learn what is spermatogenesis. Genesis means what? Production. Sperma means sperm. In the males, in the testes, in the seminiferous tubules, sperms are produced. These sperms are produced meiotically. Meiosis is a kind of the cell division in which egg and sperms are produced. Mitosis is a body cell division in which the number of the chromosome remains constant, but in the meiosis the number of chromosome become half. You can see here there are three phases like multiplication phase, then growth phase and maturation phase. Let us focus on multiplication phase. Primordial germ cells, they are 2n, that is double set of chromosome. In seminiferous tubule, in the germinal epithelium, they undergo repeated mitotic division to produce large number of spermatogonia. Gonia means rounded structure. Each spermatogonium is diploid with 46 number of chromosomes. Now second is the growth phase. Some of the spermatogonia, they stop dividing and grow in size into primary spermatocyte. They still have 46 number of the chromosomes. Maturation phase, they involve the meiotic or reduction phase. Now the spermatocytes, they undergo first phase of meiotic division to formation of two haploid secondary spermatocyte. Now in maturation phase, first of all, two haploid secondary spermatocytes are produced. They have 23 number of chromosomes. The secondary spermatocyte undergo second phase of meiotic division to form 4 haploid spermatids. So spermatid is now motile and non-functional, and it gets transformed into spermatozoa by process of spermiogenesis. See here you can see, first of all, spermatogonia changes into primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte becomes secondary spermatocyte without tail, and they mature into spermatids and finally spermatozoa. In the examination, question might come, draw the structure of the sperm or describe the structure of the sperm. Sperm is a male gamete. It is motile because of the tail. It has mitochondria. It is microscopic. It is elongated. It is divided into head, middle piece and tail. In one ejaculation, about 400 million sperms are ejaculated. It consists of head, oval, which consists of nucleus, and above the head there is a cap called acrosomal cap, which secrete hyaluronidase enzyme which breaks open the egg for amphimixis. Neck is very short, which consists of centriole, which helps in cell division. Tail, it is long, slender with tapering end, and finally end piece. Tail has centrally placed filament called the axial filament. It is covered by plasma membrane. Part without plasma membrane is end piece. Here is the structure of the sperm: head, middle piece, tail and end piece. So remember, in the examination you have to draw this structure like spermatogonia, which has 46 number of chromosome, then spermatid, which has also 46 number of chromosome, then secondary spermatid, which is a reduction phase with 23 number of chromosome, then maturation phase with spermatids, and finally spermatozoa. Sperm has head, neck, middle piece and end piece.